Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you all? I think everyone is well. So I'm back after a little bit of time because 2 days ago I uploaded a video and there's a showed the 3 lines of Python codes that how can you stop your keyboard's buttons. So now in this video I'm gonna hack a phone number. Like I'm gonna execute the exact time zone for of the number operator of the number, and actually first one is the country of the number. So these details we're gonna cover in this video, and how can you execute from a number I'll be showing you in this video. So don't miss any part of this video. Let's get started. So first of all, since we're working with Python, so the file's extension must should be py. It represents Python. So now, firstly, we'll have to install a package from Python. That's why I press Ctrl J, and the terminal should be open. The terminal isn't opening, so where is the terminal? Now just install phone numbers. Just install it. It's not in my past video I faced the same problem, but don't worry, I'm gonna fix it. Wait a while, just a few seconds. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna bring back the previous command to fix up this problem. So here it gave me I don't need anything else. Phone numbers. PHONENUMBERS phone number. Alright, successfully installed phone numbers. So now first of all we'll have to import phone numbers that we have recently installed. So from phone numbers you have to import first of all geocoder. It will help us to find the country. Again, from phone numbers import carrier. It will help us to execute the exact operating system or the operator or the resource organizer for the phone number. And now from phone numbers import, just we'll have to import it as like geocoder, carrier, and time zone. It may be time zone. Am I right? I think I'm right. So now here, so first of all I'm gonna take a variable and I'm gonna put here a number. So for that, plus 88017 the number is 360250 is my number. And now I'm gonna declare one more. I'm gonna declare one more variable, that is number country. What country, and equals to phone numbers dot parse, and it's gonna be number and this, because it is a key already given from the senior developers and it cannot be changed. That's why we need it. Now print, we have to print the geocoder dot description for number, and it's gonna be number country, and we are gonna take it in English. We're gonna print the country's name in English, so that's why we need it. And we can copy it or just do it, because we need the same things but a little bit will change. Like here we'll give pro operator, and just change it, number operator, and it's gonna be RO, means resource organization, and this gonna be carry our then name for number. It may be name for number. I forgot the pattern that, like, there should be name for number. Oh my god. Now here's type time zone and just copy the entire and just write here GB, because it's also a key given from the developers, and this should be changed. Time zone dot time zones for number, and these are the 11 lines that we need to execute a number. Like if I run this file right now, uh, actually we got it that the country is Bangladesh, and since I'm from Bangladesh, and the pattern you have, if you understand the pattern, that plus 880 is Bangladeshi number. And secondly, Grameen phone means, since it's starting with 017, it's a Grameen phone's pattern, and its operator. And Asia data, it means it's a time zone where from I am right now. So everything is working as well. So if you want to learn, or if you want to execute any numbers detail that where is from, so you can easily do it with Python. So that's why Python is very important to learn, and I'm even learning Python. Okay, so if you have enjoyed it, like this and subscribe this tiny channel. Allah Hafiz.